That one was way tighter than the others, bro.
I torqued them all in sequence to ARP's standard. That was another reason I got the ARPs. I didn't have to do that torque to yield jump.
Oh, I hate that. My torque wrenches make it really easy, but still.
Well,
that bolt was loose.
Here we are, boy amongos. We got a little bit took apart so far. Not a whole lot. We're about to bust the heads off. And we're gonna have this table full here in just a minute and see what exactly killed the oil pressure in the 6.0. I looked down in here with a flashlight. It's the oil that's pulled up in here in the heads is glittery. So yeah, but we'll finally get an answer today as to what went wrong exactly and make a plan to go forward and see what we got. So I'll pick y'all back up here in a little bit when we get all the parts laid out and see if we can find the issue.
Dog. This engine didn't stand a chance. What is that? That's not even... It's like dirt.
Boy, that wasn't no dirt in the oil. I can assure you that.
Yeah, but that's not...
Dude,
look at the color, bro. That's not metal. Like, that's...
Well, that's what I'm saying. I bet you it's like sludge that was in the block.
No. Fuck no.
No?
No.
You don't think so?
Dude. No. That's like rocks. That's not metal.
I just don't know.
That's not metal, Playboy.
I was real particular about keeping the oil type shit contained and sealed up. Not too bad.
Doesn't look bad yet.
Yeah, wait till you get to the back. It was like the back couple lifter loads didn't look the hottest.
Oh yeah.
Maybe it was the way the light was hitting it, because they had like wear.
No, I see it.
Like these kind of got it too, right on the top of the load.
Look at. What the hell?
Now remember,
what
we
lifter
had
trace?
BTR.
It looks like the lifter was trying to like go sideways. It's just really weird wear.
Well, I mean, if I was pushing on it with too long of push rods,
That too.
that probably
I keep forgetting about that.
that probably would have been a factor of that.
All right, so this looks pretty good. I will take this tomorrow. Oh, what is that? More of that
white shit?
that white shit that we seen in your engine.
I don't know what the fuck that is. I think it was on it, to be honest.
It's like paint, bro.
Yeah, I thought it was like a paint mark or something.
Yeah, look, there's some right there too. What the hell?
Go ahead, say it. Say it.
Say what?
Say the jingle.
What?
That ain't right.
That ain't right. Ain't none of this shit right.
I'm gonna put a light on them cam bearings. I want you raw. Fuck it, we're doing it live.
Oh, that looks like straight. Oh, dude. That's so bad. That's so bad. How did it not beat them out? Like, they're all there. The holes are all still lined with each other. They look, I mean, as far as alignment goes, they didn't move. But
fuck it, we're doing it live.
Freaking pitted, bro.
Mm-hmm. Let me see what this one looks like at least.
But that's not where all the wear's gonna be. All the wear's
Well, they didn't look like that when I got done. Well, yeah, they did. That little bit of gold showing right there. That's.
What did you do to like clean them up?
You ready?
I'm scared.
Derby D40 and a little bit of gray Scotch-Brite.
No way.
Yeah way.
Oh my God. No. No.
Yeah way.
Okay. Let's pull a couple randos.
See what they looking like.
Just see what it looks like. If we don't like what we see, we need to clean up the caps, number everything, and just blow it apart, bro. Just completely blow it apart.
Hot bath it, get it right.
Hot bath it, get it right. Some bearings.
Alright then.
No good.
480,000 miles. 75,000 is too long of a push rod.
We finna see what it's like.
I mean, yeah, so far there's not really anything that's like, oh, that was obviously the problem, but like that dark, it's like sand. It's like sand or some kind of dark, crusty shit. It kind of seems like the flaky shit, like the dried oil that was in the bottom of the block, but he's saying nah, so.
That looks like someone walked out to the parking lot, grabbed some gravel dust,
threw
and
it in
just
my
threw
shit.
it in your engine. That's what it looks like.
I don't think anybody preying on me like that in my own garage. I never did this, by the way.
That looks good.
You're the only one to do this.
Look at how good that looks.
I made a promise to myself in my junkyard career that I would never touch a bottom end.
Why?
I don't know.
Does it scare you?
Yeah, it's scary. It's good to know that it looks good, though.
A couple of lines, but looks good. Now, where was our oil pressure going? We're gonna.
That's what I'm saying. It don't make no damn sense, bro.
I haven't found anything yet that's like, holy crap. So I'm almost gonna say, man, we need to just blow it apart.
I mean, I'm not seeing any like wear or anything in the lifter trays where it was trying to turn, but then again, that's kind of a variable because push rods are too long, so it was pushing on them. But the cam retainer plate seal looks good. It's not missing anything. It's not flat nowhere.
Pull the oil pump apart.
Yeah, see what's going on in the pump.
Yeah.
The pickup tube.
Don't like it.
He didn't like it.
Don't like nothing about it.
He didn't like it, but the O-ring was intact. That's all I want put in the record.
But it just, everything about it, it looks
Janky. Well, it do be a China Amazon 302-2, so guess how much that Amazon 302-2 is?
$100.
150. But it come with everything. It's got the gas.
Come with everything.
It got the gaskets.
I like the Chinese accent.
It's got the bolts. It had everything. But I guess we're gonna kind of keep piddling around and see if we can find a legit reason, but it's not looking like it so far.
See the ghost marks on them though.
What's this too?
That truck?
And what all are you guys doing?
Well, we have us a gutted block. This thing is all the way apart. So we never did find an answer. We never did find anything.
Nope, we didn't take the wheel pump apart.
Oh.
We didn't take the wheel pump
Yeah, we
apart.
saved that for last.
Yeah,
we saved that for
We
last.
need to do that.
Yeah. A couple of the rod bearings were not the greatest looking, but the crank, I should have picked up the camera. The crank, he was just like cranking it and it just free.
No resistance at all.
Yeah, so you don't believe that this is a 480,000 mile motor.
No. But I don't know where all that crap came from. That's,
Right.
That's a lot of crap, bro.
So the pistons look good, the rod ends look good, rings look good. So I told them we're at this point, let's just go all the way, polish the crank, do new crank bearings, new rod bearings. The cam bearings are trash. They're like rough when you rub your finger on it, and they got oil on them, and they'll like grab your finger. So we're here, but like you keep saying, it ain't shit apparently.
Ain't shit. Ain't shit.
So we'll get everything cleaned up and get some parts ordered and get her back together here soon. This will probably give us a break where we can get the Tahoe in between here. Unless you, what you think?
I think
I
that.
mean, should we just do this
I
and get
think
it all the
that
way
if
out
we
the
just
way?
Do this, get it completely out of the way, and just get it completely out of the way.